Welcome to Dijah Decor. In today's video, we're diving into the warm, free-spirited world of Boho Holiday Home decorating ideas. If you love layered textures, cozy colors, and festive vibes, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your decorating style. Let's start by setting the tone for your boho-inspired holiday home. Think of natural materials, organic shapes, and a mix of vintage and handmade pieces that bring a sense of soul and authenticity to your festive decor. Layering is key to the bohemian look. Combine soft throws, chunky knit blankets, and patterned cushions in earthy tones. Mix materials like linen, velvet, and faux fur to create that cozy, lived-in warmth perfect for the holiday season. Boho style is all about color harmony with a relaxed twist. Deep terracotta, muted gold, sage green, and creamy whites create an effortlessly warm and grounded palette that feels both natural and festive. Lighting sets the mood for any holiday home. Use string lights, lanterns, and candles to add a soft, dreamy glow. Mix fairy lights with woven lampshades or glass jars for that whimsical boho sparkle. For your tree, think beyond traditional red and green. Decorate with natural ornaments, dried oranges, wooden beads, feathers, and macramé hangers. Each handmade detail tells a story and adds unique character. Don't forget your walls and corners. Hang woven wall art, garlands made from eucalyptus or pine, and dream catchers adorned with festive touches. These details complete the layered, bohemian holiday vibe. Rugs are essential for a cozy boho feel. Layer different styles and textures, like jute, wool, and patterned quilines, to bring warmth and dimension to your living space during the chilly holiday months. Bring nature indoors by decorating with dried florals, pampas grass, pine cones, and evergreen branches. Place them in ceramic or rattan vases for an earthy, organic feel that celebrates the season beautifully. Your dining table deserves the same boho touch. Use linen runners, mismatched tableware, and gold or brass accents. Add a cluster of candles and a touch of greenery for a stunning yet relaxed holiday tablescape. Introduce cozy corners with floor cushions, poofs, and layered throws. Create intimate seating areas where family and friends can gather, sip cocoa, and share stories surrounded by the warmth of your holiday home. Add a hint of sparkle without overdoing it. Use subtle metallics, like aged gold or copper accents, to complement your natural textures. The result? A chic, festive balance that still feels calm and inviting. Don't overlook scent, it completes the sensory experience. Use essential oils, cinnamon sticks, or clove-scented candles to infuse your home with cozy, holiday warmth that perfectly matches your boho aesthetic. And there you have it, your guide to creating a boho holiday home full of layered textures, cozy colors, and festive vibes. If you enjoyed these ideas, please subscribe, like, and comment below to share your thoughts and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating with Dijah Decor.